How to fix Instagram story waiting for connection. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram story waiting for connection issue. If you are experiencing the waiting for connection issue on Instagram stories, here's how you can solve them. First of all, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue still persists. Also, you can restart your router if you are using Wi-Fi. You can also close the app completely, then reopen it. Also, sometimes simply restarting your phone can resolve connectivity issues. Also, ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed. You can go to your Play Store and check for the updates. If you see the update button there, you can go ahead and tap on it to update your application. Further, you can also clear the cache from your device. For that, go to the settings of your device. From the settings, find Applications and Permissions. Go to App Manager. And from the list of these applications, find Instagram. Once you find it, tap on it to open it and go to Internet Stories. There you will see Clear Cache option. Tap on it and clear it. Check if the issue still persists. You can also go to your profile icon at the right bottom and tap on those three horizontal lines at the top to go to the settings. Here scroll down and tap on Log Out. After logging out, and log back in. Now check your story whether it is posted or not. By following the steps, you can easily fix Instagram story waiting for connection. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.